scrunchie, but all I do is put it over my head like this. And then I start off at the top, but I push it back. So let me get in closer so you can see what I'm doing. So while I'm in close, I'm holding it taut in the back. All I do is hold it like this, and I pull this side over, so I just cross it, and I hold that tight, and I just pull it like this. But I keep one hand in the middle where it's crossed. So now I'm going to start pushing it back. So all I do is push it back while I'm holding it tight in the back. Oh, I brought my foot. But just keep pushing it back, and I push it back. So when I like pull out the hair, not pull out the hair, pull back the hair to make it look right still. And then now I'm going to pull a little tighter in the back. So now I'm going to take this extra band part of the scrunchie and wrap it around so it goes tight. And then I'm just going to push that back to where the other part of it is, to where the rest of the scrunchie is. And then this is when I just try to fluff out the puff, and this is not it. Like, this is not complete, okay? So then this is when your best friends come in. These bobby pins though. Okay, so what I do is I put a bobby pin at the back, and I just bobby pin the scrunchie down to my hair. And that's just going to keep the bobby pin, not the bobby pin, but the scrunchie from moving and making the puff smaller. So I do the same thing to the top. And I just fluff out the puff, make it look cute. That is how you do the low puff on short natural hair. So now we're going to move on to the high puff. Alrighty guys, so for the high puff, it's basically the same idea as the low puff, except you're pushing your hair up in a different direction. So we're going to take our little friend scrunchie here again, and put it over our head. So what I do now for the high puff, when you wear wigs too much so you're starting to forget, but what I do for the high puff is I push the back up. So I'm going to push the back up. And then I'm going to take my thumbs, I'm going to take these two, and I'm going to push up the sides. And what I'm pushing up is the rubber band, the scrunchie. I'm pushing that up, so I'm pushing up the sides. And then as I push up the sides, that pushes the front back a little. So then I'm going to push up the back some more, and I'm just pushing it until I like the shape. Stop right there, and unlike the low puff where I went ahead and I put the extra rubber band over, I'm going to hold my finger on where the rubber band is being held, and I'm going to bobby pin it in the back. So that scrunchie doesn't let loose. Then this is when I kind of just pick out my hair. And I usually do this with a pick, but I don't think I have one pick. And to make it like go up, I would suggest starting at the root and just comb it up, but do not rake all the way through the curls. Let's not do that, okay? Because all that's going to do is take out the curls that you got. It's just pushing the hair together at the front. So then, don't think I forgot about this little rat tail in the back. So the extra scrunchie in the back, you're going to take another bobby pin, and we're just going to pull it. You can pull it either way on your head. You can pull pull it that way or that way. I usually pull it this way. And I'm just going to take it and I'm going to put the bobby pin through it. So now it's like this. And I'm just going to stick that bobby pin in my hair so that pins the elastic out of the way. Thank you guys for tuning into this hair tutorial. Comment down below and like if you want more hair tutorials. I love making hair videos. So definitely comment down below and like I said. And I just have one more question before I go. I feel like if you're a loyal subscriber, you should already know what this question is. But I'm gonna still say it for the new people and the people in the back. Alright? But are you a subscriber though?
Raindrops, drop top, smoking on cooking the hot box.